What can be more satisfying than watching your website move up in the search engine results? But to do this accurately, you need a pro tool. Introducing Longtail Pro Rank Tracker. Longtail Pro Rank Tracker enables you to do all the following. Track your progress. Measure your success and keep tabs on how you're doing with the brand new Rank Tracker feature in Longtail Pro, which was built based on feedback from 70,000 marketers. Focus your efforts. Know how close you are to the top result for all your keywords so you can hone in on your winning keywords and start seeing results even faster. Get it for less. Typical pro rank tracking software can cost you up to $99 per month. But with Longtail Pro Rank Tracker, you get the rank tracking feature for less with this one-time payment offer. How Rank Tracker works. Step 1. Enter a domain or URL and the keywords you want to track. Step 2. LTP automatically tracks your rankings over time. Step 3. You can click on any keyword to view its ranking history. You can also export your graph and show it to your boss or client. Track your rankings over time and get better results. This Rank Tracker discount is available for a limited time only. Don't miss out. Get the new Rank Tracker special offer today before it ends.